Oh yeah, look at that beauty. Freshly installed. Yeah, so some of the plumbing here. Well, so I guess we could start over here, a little tour. So we got a sink here. We're gonna do, these things are called air and minutes valves. Basically, to not have to run a vent line. You still have to run a main vent line, but to not have to run a vent line all the way to that side. Started running propane. It's called CSST. It's like corrugated stainless with a jacket on it. But that was a pain to pull that. But this is still gonna put more nail plates. And I gotta get a manifold. But the propane line up and over. To right there. And then we get this. We're starting to run. I gotta get a right angle attachment. It's starting to get tight in here, but yeah, so that's the plan. I'm gonna put a manifold here. We got it stubbed out, raised it up with a pipe. I got a punch through. We're gonna do a second stage regulator, and we're gonna do a grill attachment, heater, and tankless water heater. What else? Yeah, and then the stove and the dryer. So yeah, so we're gonna run this. And it's gonna connect to, we ran the dryer one. So yeah, so that's gonna, tankless water heater is gonna go in here when we get it eventually. But yeah, so we're gonna have to run that line, the 3/4 up in here, and it's gonna tee off into this right here, and then that goes up and through. But yeah, it's kind of wild to see the lines that are finally done, the plumbing. This drain line here, I had to do 245s up there to jog it, to get it through there. Yeah, the sink drain line there ties into the main line in the crawl space. And then up here, the upstairs toilet. That was fun. Yeah, just going through floor joists and some of those angles, getting through there and getting everything. Yeah, I think that one I did like a 60-degree bend into the 45 right there. And getting the slope and fall all right on this whole length too. We just made it. Yeah, just made it with the right fall. Had to notch that out. But yeah, so it'll still work, which is good. And then the vent line, everything kind of ties together here with the vent line, and I had to go up and over. So that jogs up and over that drain line, goes in, and then jogs over with 45, goes up. And then I'll show you upstairs. But yeah, we're trying to get propane lines in, and then we can do PEX. Sink, toilet, still gotta put that one together, but yeah, here's the vent line main stack. So that comes up. This was fun. Look at this right here. Getting that 90 in there. That was fun. Comes up. And then this is where we're going to go to 3-inch. And then we get to punch through the roof up here. That's for the ice. You want a bigger diameter. And then freeze up and clog the vent line. So yeah, I'm making progress.